In this video, I want to talk about the courses that I use to learn to code. All right, let's get into this video. But before we start, I would like to thank Unacademy for sponsoring today's video. If you don't already know, I am an educator at Unacademy and I teach Python programming. I'm actually the #1 educator in the Creative Corner field on Unacademy. And talking about the Creative Corner field, it will be available as complimentary with the Plus subscription for CBSE students only up till 22nd of November. Okay, so if you want to sign up, if you want to learn something, make sure that you sign up before that date. And more importantly, I want to tell you about this amazing event that we are organizing completely free for all of you to attend. It's called the 5-Star Project, where you'll be learning how to build things, okay? DIY, do it yourself. I myself am organizing my own free class on 5 p.m. 22nd of November, where I'll be showing you how to create a traffic light using Python and Pygame. Okay, so I hope to see you in the class. It's completely free to register. The link to that is in the description, so go take a look at them. But make sure that you register in advance. All right, that's really important. But yeah, I hope to see you in the class. And with that said, let's get started with this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ishan Sharma. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and also like this video. And today I will just be talking about the courses that I use to learn to code. Just understand that these might not be the best courses to learn to code, but this is just what I chose at the time when I was learning something. Also, I have learned Python, I've learned JavaScript, I've learned React. So with that said, let's get into this video. A lot of you wanted me to make this video talking about how did I learn to code. Okay, so the first step was for me to take this course called Harvard CS50X. This is a course taught by Harvard's Professor David J. Mellon, and this is just an amazing course. You know, I have done a complete review video on it. You can take a look at that over here. But this course really taught me a lot about basic logic and multiple aspects of computer science. I learned a little bit about databases, a little bit about arrays and data structures and algorithms, and then I also learned a little bit about web development as well. So this was an amazing course. Do take a look at this. I have linked all of these courses and videos in the description, so all of you can take a look at that. So do check that out. And also CS50 is completely free if you just want to watch the lectures, so they are completely free of cost. You don't need to pay any money. The next course was from Udemy, and that was called Python 0 to Hero. Okay, so basically this course is the best-selling course on Udemy. Basically, it's taught by Jose Portilla, and he does an amazing job at explaining to you what Python is from scratch. Okay, so I really enjoyed this course. I created the tic-tac-toe app in between as well, so that was a great experience. And yeah, I just learned a lot about just basic programming and the basic syntax of Python. And then I also ended up taking a course from Jose Portilla on things like computer vision and data science. Okay, so these were the courses that I took from him. You know, amazing courses, amazing teacher. And now let's move on to the third course. So the third course, or videos you can call it, that I watched was from Tech with Tim. Okay, so Tech with Tim is an amazing YouTuber. He basically talks about Python and the applications of Python, and he just shares his own journey of learning to code. He's an amazing YouTuber. You should totally check out his channel. But basically what I did is that I went into the playlist section of his channel, and oh my god, he has so many playlists. I just took every single playlist. I watched all of them. I learned about Pygame. I built games like Snake game, and then I also built the Flappy Bird AI. I also built some algorithms in Python. I built the backtracking algorithm which I used to solve Sudoku board, so that was really cool. So this was a really great experience for me. I really learned how to apply my learnings from my course to actual projects. Okay, so Tech with Tim, he's doing an amazing job in Python. So yeah, do take a look at that as well. Okay, so the next course that I took was from Google. Okay, so Google did this course called Google ML Explore AI. Okay, basically in this course, a senior, a 4th year student from our own college was talking to us about these concepts. He was teaching us these concepts of machine learning. So in this course, I basically learned about supervised learning. Okay, it was like a 6-7 lecture course. I had a lot of fun. This was a great course. Again, it was all live. Okay, so we used to come to the lecture hall and he used to teach us the basic concepts. So that was a great experience. I learned a little bit about machine learning, how to create your own models, how to process your data set. So that was all great. Then I ventured into web development. Okay, and the one course that I took was from Cold Steel's Web Developer Bootcamp. Okay, so this is a course called Web Developer Bootcamp by Cold Steel. Basically, this course will take you from zero, talking about HTML, and it will take you up to JavaScript. And this is a great course, I would say, because he really teaches from the ground up. The only problem is that he takes a lot of time while teaching it. This is like a really long course. It's like 100 hours long. So it's definitely a lot longer than you would expect it to be. So yeah, this was the course that I took. On the side, I was also using some videos from Traversy Media. Okay, so he is also a YouTuber. I hope all of you have already heard about him. He makes some amazing content on web development. And yeah, I just took a lot of his online videos on YouTube, and I just learned how to create actual websites. I learned about the grid, I learned about Flexbox, and so all of these I was able to learn with the help of Traversy Media. Okay, and then I started learning about React. Okay, so how did I do this? I basically got this course from my senior in college. The course name was Modern React with Redux 2020, and you can take a look at this course. It's on Udemy. Basically, this course, as the name suggests, it talks about React as well as Redux. And I really like this course. Learned about React, I learned about Redux, created some projects as well. So that was all great. And then I got to apply my learnings onto creating some actual websites by using Clever Programmer's live streams. Okay, so Clever Programmer is also a YouTuber. He does some amazing content around web development, more into JavaScript. And so he does this live streams where he will just build one app from scratch, and he'll just build this clone. Okay, so I built the Tinder clone, I built the TikTok clone, I built the YouTube clone, I built some other clones as well. Okay, so this was a great experience. Also, I just forgot to mention, I also got like 2 scholarships from Udacity. Number one was the Bertelsmann Tech AI Scholarship. And in that, they were basically talking about deep learning using PyTorch. And the second one was the Intel Edge AI course. And this was also from Udacity itself. Okay, guys. So yeah, this is pretty much the courses that I did complete. There were other as well that I did not complete. I also took this course on Coursera about algorithms by Princeton University. Never was able to finish that. So yeah, this was all the courses that I took to learn to code. A lot of them are free, a lot of them are paid. I will link all the courses in the description, so all of you can take a look at that. I really had a lot of fun learning from these courses. You can take a look at those as well and see if that seems exciting to you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video. Also make sure that you follow me on Instagram. I post there pretty much daily. But thank you so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. But before that, just tell me what is one course that you are taking right now in the comment section below. And also let me know what is the one skill that you really want to learn in 2020 before it ends. Okay, we are almost like 2 months left before 2020 completes. So let me know what was the one skill that you want to learn before January 1st, 2021. Okay guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.